Hi, it's Bad here from Bullhorn. In today's video, we will be covering off how we can utilize the AI assistant to help keep your top candidates engaged as you move them through the recruitment process. On this job here, we have the AI assistant card. We're at the stage where we possibly need to either reject a candidate or provide some feedback or any other of those tasks we must do in between each of those recruitment stages. Now, within each assistant, whether it's on the job or whether it's on the candidate, we will have several out-of-the-box prompts, in addition to additional prompts we have here at the bottom. Now, for this specific use case, when we go to Floyd is a candidate that we must reject. Maybe he didn't pass a screening or any of the reasons why we might not take an individual to the next step. So from here, we might want to create a rejection message. So it's very easy for me to come in here, click write a rejection message, utilizing data that we have within Bullhorn and using data we have for the specific job we may be speaking to this candidate about. So here we can select ID Project Manager and we can generate that rejection message very quickly and easily. Now, once we have actually generated that content, this is a really good starting point for us to copy and make some amendments based on our needs, or even to adjust based on tone, length, and even language as required. In addition to that, we can also utilize custom actions. And this, of course, is available on the job record as well. So any prompt or any generated content we create, we can utilize custom actions to get the content the way we want it to look. So it can very easily be something as simple as shorten to 100 words. Submit that, update, and that will shorten it based on our prompt. Now, when we go to the job, we also have the ability to, of course, utilize the prompts to even do something as simple as interview prep tips. So if we are to progress a candidate to the next step, we will be able to do that too. But of course, some of these prompts, or perhaps you as a business, want to utilize different prompts based on your business process. And the great thing here is with the AI Assistant admin, you are able to build out your own prompts as well. And you can see here we have these available for both the job and for the candidate records, with additional records or entities in Bullhorn being made available throughout the year of 2025. And a great example here is if we go down to they create the interview prep tips, we can actually make amendments or we can create new prompts based on our needs. Whether it's a prompt we want to appear on the main card in the more prompt section, or even decide how we want that prompt to come out. And as you can see here, we can also utilize things like roles, which determine the tonality and the different pieces around how you might want that content to be generated, how it'll look, how the wording will come out. We can essentially use these roles to give instructions on how we want the information generated. We can give it a specific tone, we can choose the length, and we can also provide custom actions as part of that generated content. In addition to that, to finish off today, is the ability for us to also utilize data that exists within your Bullhorn instance. So again, you can see here from the job point of view, we can choose any of the data that's on our job, in addition to any of the data that's on our candidate as well. So when we click that prompt and we start using it, it will use data that we have within Bullhorn, ensuring that really highly hyper-personalized content is generated and will be valuable to your business.